a label, LBL error, username field, password field, and a checkbox saying remember me. Remember my username and password on this machine. Okay, so this is the design part. Let's see what will be the code here. Page load event. Okay, one more page I have to take over here. I'll take home.spx. Here only one control, link button. Logout. Link button code. Before that, page load event. Fine, this is about my coding. Let's see what we are doing over here. Login. So where default is there, I need to mention the home page, home.spx, home.spx. Okay, this is my design part. Okay, one label, LBL error, if any error is there in order to display. So we have taken a label control here, LBL error, and two text boxes, a checkbox control and a button. All are web server controls. Let us see what is the code we have written in button click. We have created a string here, username, the value of text box we are storing, which is nothing but first text box, username, password string in order to store second text box. Now comparing a small condition, if both are equal, then only create a cookie. If they are not equal, say something like invalid username and password. Okay, for a while. If both are equal, username and password, then second condition, if the checkbox is checked, if it is checked only, create cookie. Okay, if checkbox remember dot checked, create this HTTP cookie object with the name authorized cookie, auth cookie. What should be the value of that cookie object is nothing but un. Okay, un, username, not password, username. Then cookie dot expires maximum value until the time how much it remains, take that time only. Then response dot cookies dot add cookie, this line will add the cookie into the HTTP cookie collection object. If it is not checked, directly redirect to home page. If okay, this condition is there. No, after making this selection, obviously if both are equal, we are making the redirection. If both username and password are equal, we are making the redirection. But if this is checked, maintain the cookie, or else nothing. Okay, so response.redirect to home page, home.aspx. If this username and password are not equal, say something like this: invalid username and password. So with this information, if both are equal, a cookie we are creating with the name cookie itself. The object name is cookie, the key name is auth cookie, and the value is username. Expiration is maximum, adding to the cookies collection object. Okay, then redirecting. Let us see what is there in the home page. Home page, a link button is there. In the page load event, what is the code? HTTP cookie equals to taking the value from this cookie, request dot cookies of auth cookie, from the last page in the cookie collection object. Okay, if cookie not equals to null, obviously when we select the checkbox in the previous page, it will not be null. If it is not equals to null, response dot write hello, the value of that cookie, which means client is authenticated. Else the response dot write hello anonymous, unknown or unauthorized user, client is not logged in, like that, in the page load event. Okay, so from the login page, if I give username and password correct, both are equals, and if I select the checkbox, here in the we are making the redirection to home.aspx. In home.aspx, in the page load event only, we are checking whether the cookie is there with this name or not. If it is there, and if it is not equals to null, displaying the value of that cookie with this message hello. If it is equals to null, anonymous, hello anonymous, which means if I did not select the checkbox over there, it will say me this hello anonymous.
Only if the username and password is not entered and the checkbox is selected, then it comes as hello anonymous.
Yeah, if username and password is correct, and if user does not select the checkbox, it will say hello anonymous. Okay, the redirection will be made.
No, that's not my question. My question is, username is not entered and password is not entered, but first
Yeah, correct. Right. Correct. It will say, yeah, it will say hello anonymous only, because null equals to null, right?
Yeah.
Here in UN it will be null, in password it will be null. Okay, so null equals to null means valid condition. It will redirect and it will say hello anonymous. But if you select this text box, if you select this checkbox by giving null, what it will say? Hello. Only hello, because null value is there here. Nothing is there as a value. Yeah, we are checking here. Sorry, sir. We are checking over here if not equals to null. Equals to null means here it will say. Okay. Let's explore it when we execute the page. And yeah, in the link click, logout this link click, what we are doing. Again, we are making use of auth cookie here. Okay. New cookie we are creating, in fact, here in the link button with this name auth cookie dot expires date time dot now dot add days -1, expiring it. Response dot cookies dot add, okay, then log out. It will redirect to login page. No, we don't need to delete it. No, we are just seeing by deleting it whether it will be remain in the next time or not. Because if we go from here to the login page, in the login page load event, again I will check.
Yeah.
Okay, again I will check here in the login page load event. I'll check here in the page load event.
So only if logout is there, then it will be deleted. Otherwise, it will be there.
No, it will be there. If not, is post back. It should be cookie auth cookie. If cookie not equals to null, response dot redirect to home.spx. Okay. Let's execute the page.
But the null values are same, right?
Hmm?
No, no two null values will be same.
Nothing equals to nothing, we are saying. No two null values.
Null value 1, like username, null value username, and null value username, sorry, password will not be same, right?
Will not be same.
Null value.
Okay. Let's check it here. So I am not giving any values. Okay. Saying login. It says hello anonymous, which means the condition is satisfied. What the condition? UN is null, password is null. Both are same. Are having same values. The condition what we have written is nothing but if UN equals PWD. It satisfies this condition. But in the home.aspx page load event, we are checking that cookie has some value or not. If cookie has some value, displayed hello that value. If cookie does not have any value, display hello anonymous. Fine. Let's go back and say something like Faz. I'll not give some correct information. Login label will say something like this: invalid username or password. I'll say correct value. I'll not select the checkbox. Login. Hello anonymous, again it will saying to me. It is not remembering me as a user. Now I'll select the checkbox. Remember me. Login. Hello Faz. It remembers me right now. Okay. Fine. So let's say logout. When I say logout, a cookie will be destroyed. That cookie will be destroyed. I am closing the form browser. I'll close the browser and I'll try to run the login page again. It is redirecting me to the home.spx and it is displaying me the value, because in the login page load event we have checked if cookie not equals to null. Right now it is not equals to null. It has some value. It recognized me even though I